Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Make a local backup of your PDFs and settings first. This protects files if an uninstall removes data. Charge your phone above 50% and enable developer options to allow advanced steps. Confirm the device model and MIUI version before proceeding so instructions match your phone. Note which apps rely on the MI PDF viewer to avoid accidental data loss. Reinstalling later requires either a full backup or downloading the APK from a trusted source. Disable the MI PDF viewer in settings and clear its data first. If possible, uninstall updates to revert it to the factory package version. On your computer, install ADB and enable USB debugging on the phone. Connect the device and run a DB devices to confirm the connection. Use a DB uninstall user 0com. My PDF viewer to remove the app for your current user. If uninstall fails, reboot and run the ADB command again to ensure the package was removed. If rooted, create a full NAN Droid backup before changing system apps. Then use PM uninstall K user 0com. My PDF viewer or remove the APK from /system/privapp safely. After removal, reboot and check core features like file browsing and sharing. Install Adobe Acrobat or PDF Viewer from Play Store as a replacement for reading PDFs. Reboot after removal and verify no system crashes or missing functionality. If problems occur,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.